Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Pooja Johari, and I am running my own YouTube channel as Biochemistry Made Easy. And you all are familiar with this phrase. I started my channel when the lockdown just started. And I must say, half of 2020 has gone. Two exams have already taken place. So, FMGE, as you know, there were so many controversies regarding the exam. Now, it's always, better have some hope. So, from tomorrow onwards, I will be again starting with the revision of biochemistry for the preparation of this AIMS 2021 and for FMGE, which is going to be conducted in the month of November and December. Now, what observation I've got from most of my students is that they find this biochemistry subject to be very tough. Let me give you this kind of thing ki biochemistry is a very easy subject. It's all a game of mind. It's all governed psychologically, and I will help you in preparation of this subject. Basically, biochemistry may be divided into two categories. One is the basic structure of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and their metabolism. And obviously, the questions have been asked on the rate limiting enzymes and inborn errors of metabolism associated to this. And second, you can say, phase comprises of the molecular biology. So, first of all, before starting up with the revision of this subject, let me assure you also that try to understand the basic subject, and definitely in my I will be dividing it into, I mean, like 10 to 12 sessions overall, and all my this thing literature, all my videos will be available on my YouTube channel. So before starting up with this, I will just give you a brief introduction about enzymes. And once we finish up with a particular topic, then I'm going to discuss the questions, previous year questions which have been asked in the exam. Right. Now I have my own website also, which is biochemistrysimplified.com. And thank you first of all to all the subscribers who have been listening to my videos carefully. And now it is the high time also to prepare for your November AIMS exam and FMGE exam in the month of December. So it is my advice to all of my students who are, listening to my video. Then from tomorrow onwards, I will be starting up with the revision of biochemistry again. So if you have any queries, if you have any doubts, you can always log into my website and you can put your queries there. And otherwise, I am there to assist you always. So wish you all a very good luck and all the best and a lovely weekend too. Good night.